supposedly asked you to get off the plane multiple times. So now we're here, and I'm just...
Hey,
Cameron, come on.
Are you going to get me at 11:30 p.m. when I paid for my flight? Oh. No, I'm literally... No, I am so confused what's happening. It lands in...
Hey!
No, what?
Stop fighting with us!
And scan one date, not disclosed in source material location. New Orleans International Airport, Louisiana. United States event. A disruptive passenger refused to deplane. Police called after aircraft returned to gate.
What's your name?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron? Cameron, can you do me a favor and grab your stuff and come off the plane with me so we can talk, please?
I'm sorry. What's going on?
The airline needs you off the plane, and they called us. They supposedly asked you to get off the plane multiple times. So now we're here, and I
haven't gotten any notification to get off the plane. My flight leaves to Houston, and then it goes to Kansas City. Look.
Okay.
Look,
so,
I have not gotten anything to get off the plane.
No, they came and asked you personally.
No,
so what I need you to do is I need you to come with me, please.
But why?
Because we need to talk to you off the plane.
About what?
About what's going on
here.
You
can talk to me here. Look, my flight, it departs at 7:45. It lands in Kansas City at 11:30.
So you're telling me that the flight attendants and the captain didn't come back and ask you to get off the plane since they had to taxi back here?
No captain has come back to me. I just need to go home.
The flight attendant?
Okay. Flight attendant come ask you to leave the plane?
I just need to go home. This is when my flight leaves.
Okay.
This is when I land.
Okay. So
I've literally just been sitting here, I just need to go home.
Okay, did you realize that the plane already left and came back to the gate?
No, literally, my flight leaves. It was supposed to leave at 7:55 p.m. from New Orleans. It lands in Houston, and then I stay in the same plane in Houston.
Okay.
And then I go to Kansas City.
Okay, but right now, you're gonna come talk to us off the plane, please.
Why?
Okay, because we need you to, because the flight attendants have asked you to exit the plane. So we don't want to have a fight about this. We don't want these problems.
I don't either. I'm just confused.
Okay.
I just need to go home.
After you come off the plane.
Can you explain to me why I need to get off the plane? I'm really confused why we need to get off the plane.
Because the flight attendants have asked you to get off the plane already.
Why?
Because they need you off the plane.
Why?
Because you were
causing a
I've
disturbance.
literally been sitting here by myself. My name is Cameron, and no one has been down here with me. I am not going to argue with you guys. I've been on here.
You need to get your stuff.
Literally, my stuff is right
and we
here.
need to leave the plane right now. Let's get your stuff and let's go.
Are you guys going to pay for my flight home?
To remove you from the plane, unbuckle your seatbelt, get your
I've
stuff.
literally been sitting here.
Let's go.
Aircraft with us, then everybody has to come off the plane, including you.
Can you explain to me what the problem is, please?
You're causing a disturbance.
In their seat.
What did I do?
You had your foot up on their seat.
Can you not?
They were regard to the person.
No, I will move it. I will literally move it.
Okay.
What is the problem? I just want to get home.
Cameron.
I will literally move. What is the issue?
Come on.
You'd be foolish enough to have your foot on.
No, I will literally move. What is the issue here? No.
Do you have a bag up here?
No, I'm just confused what the issue is.
We're going to talk to you more. You just heard them say that you have to come off the plane or they're going to deboard the entire plane.
Deboard the entire plane.
No, not going to do that.
They forcibly remove you, you're going to jail.
Cameron.
And then you're not going your
Cameron.
What is the issue? I've been sitting in here
Cameron.
waiting to go home.
I've explained it. This young lady's explained it.
No.
The flight attendants explained it.
No, the flight attendant did not explain anything.
Yeah, she did.
No,
so,
there's no female over here. I'm confused what the issue is.
Do me a favor. Please don't make us...
I'm not trying to cause an issue.
Listen. Please don't make us forcibly remove you from the plane.
My flight literally leaves.
All right.
Come
with me. Come with me.
Yeah,
Come with me.
No.
Come with me. Cameron.
I need to get home to Kansas City tonight.
Cameron, come with me.
No, I need to... Can you guarantee me I'll get home to Kansas City tonight?
There's a waiter.
Can you guarantee me I'll get home to where my flight... Literally, I paid money to book a flight.
Listen to me.
Are you guys going to refund my flight if I don't get home?
Cameron, listen to me.
You're
being videotaped by us. Okay.
Videotape me then.
I can tell that you're obviously intoxicated.
Yeah.
All right. And they've asked you to come off the plane. Now you can come off peacefully, or we can handcuff you and take you off.
Really? Can you guarantee that my flight gets in at 11:30 p.m.
Did you plan?
And I paid for my flight.
We gotta go
Come
to
on,
the plane.
Cameron.
I paid for my flight to land at 11:30 p.m. tonight. Are you gonna get me there?
Cameron, come on.
Are you gonna
That's
get
it.
me at 11:30 p.m. when I paid for my flight?
Oh, that's too easy.
Sir, my bags are right there.
Nope, we got your bag and your phone.
Sir, I'm so confused what's happening.
Just walk with us.
No, I'm literally. No, I am so confused what's happening. I'm literally just trying to go home. Like, no.
We're getting you home.
God. My God.
Cameron?
Why is literally home? Why the? What the is going on? Can someone just explain this to me, please? Can someone please just explain this to me? Please just explain this to me.
Do we have a wheelchair?
If we explain it, are you gonna listen?
Literally, my flight left New Orleans at 7:55 p.m. It lands in Houston.
Don't.
No, my flight lands in.
Hey,
No, what?
stop fighting with us.
No, literally, what the?
Stop fighting.
No, literally, what the? You need to fight
You
me.
keep. Cameron?
No, fight me, please fight me.
No.
We're gonna get a
Fight me,
wheelchair.
fight me, please.
Yeah.
Fight. Do it. Fight me.
Bruce, you going to get a wheelchair?
Fight
Chuck.
me to it. Fight. Do it.
Stop.
Fight me to it.
Stop.
Stop, Cameron, please.
Do it.
You're not flying on that flight. It's unnecessary all that you're doing.
Fight me. Oh my God, you guys are such hard.
We're not trying to be, Cameron.
Well, you guys are.
Will
Literally,
you get up and walk?
No, little. Give me the home.
We were trying.
No, the you guys are not. Give me the home. You guys are.
Cameron, we're going to sit you in a wheelchair, all right?
No, literally, just give me the home.
Go sit down. It's kicking. Cameron, stop kicking.
No, give me the home.
Stop kicking,
No,
Cameron,
give me
please. All right, stop.
No,
Cameron.
no.
Cameron, you have to take a flight to go home. We can't just like.
Then give me the home.
Well, you need to cooperate.
Give me the home.
Stop. Get her off the chair. Stop. Get her back. Stop kicking, Cameron.
Give me the home. Then give me the home. Then give me the home.
Does anybody have a hobble?
I got a problem in the car.
You're resisting.
Hey,
Hey, don't you me. You fight me.
so bad.
Don't you go lower.
That hurt me so bad. No, that hurts so bad. Please give me home. I will keep until I give you.
You're not gonna anymore.
And give me home. And give me home, please. It hurts so bad.
Do you want to sit in a chair and we'll wheelchair you up now?
Can you please just get me home,
How much did you have to
please?
drink tonight?
I literally just want to get over and fly home.
Okay, how many?
I literally haven't drank since hours ago. I just want to go. Please.
Come on, girl.
No, this isn't even funny. Please.
No, it's not.
No, please, just give me home.
We're trying, Cameron.
No, you guys are not. You guys are. And you guys get funny because you guys think I'll this shit and I won't. Please, give me home.
All right, we're gonna sit you up, put you in a chair,
No, I
okay?
literally just no. I just want to go home. You guys, literally, you guys.
All right, here we
I
go.
don't even know where my other shoe
We
is.
got it.
Horrible police officers, and they deserve to be prosecuted. These guys, they love to single white women because we are independent and cannot stand up for ourselves because they can take advantage of us because they're fascists. Please pull the hair out of my mouth. Can you please pull the hair out of my mouth? Please.
Cameron,
Please pull the hair out of my mouth. Please pull the hair out of my mouth. Pull the hair out of my mouth.
all right, here.
Can you tell me now what's gonna go
All right,
on?
now let's go. Come
No,
on.
can you tell me now what's gonna go on?
You're gonna be put in a cell,
For why?
so we can handle our paperwork.
For why? For what?
Cameron,
Then tell me. Tell me then.
You caused a disturbance on the
What
plane.
did I do?
Now
What
you
did
are
I
being
do?
arrested.
Okay,
All right.
what did I do? Tell me
caused
what
a
I
disturbance
did.
on the
Tell
plane.
me what I did then. Tell me what I did.
Cameron.
Tell me what I did.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
I literally did nothing. I'm just trying to get home. I am just trying to get home. I won't let me. I won't. Because I did not do shit. I just want to get home so bad. I just want to get home so bad. I don't even know what I did. And these assholes are arresting me for nothing.
Don't kick him.
No, I'm gonna stop.
Stop kicking.
No,
Stop kicking.
no. Pull my hair all you want, fools.
And sent to date, not disclosed in source material location. Commercial airport, Florida. United States event. Intoxicated couple removed from aircraft following verbal threat against flight attendant. Federal Law 49 U.S.C. Section 44,000. 902 airlines hold statutory authority to refuse transport to any passenger deemed a safety risk. Once flight crew exercises this authority, the passenger is legally required to deplane. Refusal converts a civil airline matter into a federal criminal offense. Federal Law 14 CFR Section 91.11, no person may assault, threaten, intimidate, or interfere with a crew member in the performance of their duties aboard an aircraft being operated. A passenger who refuses a crew directive is in direct violation of this regulation. Federal Law 49 U.S.C. Section 46,318, any individual who physically assaults or threatens a member of the flight crew may be imprisoned for up to 20 years under federal law. A verbal threat to confront a flight attendant outside the aircraft falls within this statute. State law Louisiana, revised statutes, section 14.108, resisting an officer, is defined as the intentional interference with or opposition to an individual acting in an official capacity authorized by law to make a lawful arrest. Verbal refusal to comply with a lawful deplane order satisfies this element. State law Louisiana revised statutes, section 14.108. To resisting with force or violence against a law enforcement officer carries a penalty of up to 2 years imprisonment with hard labor. Each act of kicking or striking during removal constitutes a separate chargeable offense. Use of force standard Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,989. The Supreme Court held that use of force must be judged objectively and from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, considering three factors: severity of the offense, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and active resistance. State law Florida statutes, section 856.11, disorderly intoxication. Two elements must be proven. The subject was intoxicated, either endangered the safety of another person or property, or caused a public disturbance on a public conveyance. Both elements were established by witness testimony. Nolte's Florida statute section 856.11, second degree. Misdemeanor, maximum 60 days imprisonment. Maximum fine of $500. Maximum 6 months probation. Legal lesson 1, compliance first. Challenge later. A person subject to a lawful police order has no right to condition compliance on receiving a full explanation in the field. Correct legal remedy for an unlawful order is the court, not resistance at the scene. Legal lesson 2, charge escalation through resistance. The original airline complaint alone would not have resulted in arrest. Each act of noncompliance added a new criminal charge. Disorderly conduct, criminal mischief, property damage, assault on a law enforcement officer were all generated by the passenger's own conduct after officers arrived.